And we should have what? 7 of those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 of them. 6 of them. 6 it is. And off to the pile of parts. Now, from what I understand, this calls for a special tool to remove, which I think it's supposed to take a slide hammer and hook it up to these bolt holes here and give it the old tuggeroo. However, guess who doesn't have a slide hammer? This guy. So, we're going to try something that we saw online. You know, I can take this crank position sensor off. I don't like having this tail hanging around here. It's going to end up getting in the way. So, all this stuff is 10. That's not 10. That's 11. Oh yeah, that's an 11. 1/4 inch drive. Pull that off here. Real easy. Hopefully. Oh, nice and easy. There we go. So, take a crank position sensor off of here. There it is. I have no idea how to inspect one of these, but we'll set her aside. Keep the bolt in the flange and put her in parts yard. There. I don't feel like I'm risking breaking that guy. So, next thing is next. Let's turn this guy around here. Ugh. And I think I can gain some purchase on something in here and pry that front assembly out. So we're going to try to do that nice and gently, preferably on parts that don't seem to be soft or, precision machined to fit together. I think right here is where I'm going to try to go. Use the long screwdriver and stuff a rag in there, maybe just give a little bit of protection to the bits and pieces. Give a little pry. Oh, something gave. Something gave. Oh, hopefully that didn't break something. Something separated a little bit in there. Tough to tell. Maybe that's not the point I wanted to pry at. So what happens if we pry here? Oh, we got some stuff coming apart. Turn this shaft. What does that tell us? Anything at all? That's a little tough to turn. You can see the shaft moving, and move the shaft, that moves inside there. That pump housing though is kind of where it is. I wonder if we can poke the back of the pump. Let's see here. So it seems to be directly connected to what? That kind of moves. That kind of moves. Let's just try this again here. Maybe rotate the back end. You can see we're rotating the front too. So we're going to try prying a couple different points around the way here. Just see what might move a little bit. Oh, there we go. Whoa! was that? Oh, it was that spring. Oh no, it's all the way down that box. I don't have a magnetic pickup. Should have moved those over to the parts yard. It's see if we can't fish out here with that screwdriver. There we go. Got that spring and the accumulator. We're gonna move this out of harm's way. Along with the front band adjuster, whatever accumulator this is, and the front band strap. We're gonna put those over in the parts yard. And I remember what those are, right? They look like they only fit one way. Now the good news is it does appear that the front pump moved a little bit when I was doing that. So let's I don't know why I keep calling it front pump. Maybe it's just the pump. I don't believe there's a rear pump. So okay. That's rotation. I'll get the rag caught in there. Get down in here. Nice and easy like. There we go. Front pump, that pump's moving. You can see these guys are no longer splined together. You can see a little bit of wear on here. So basically what we're doing here is we're hoping that the hard parts are generally okay. Hoping. Hard parts are okay, then we might be able to rebuild this ourselves. Yeah, this front band looks like it's going to get in the way of getting that guy out of there. There's no way to get front band. Ripped my glove. Okay, time out. I'll get a new glove and take a minute to think about what we're doing before something gets broken. Thanks for watching so far, and we'll pick this up again in a little bit.